Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a full system image backup in Windows 11. Before we start, you'll need an external hard drive or large USB drive, at least the size of your system drive. Administrator access on your PC. Click on the Start menu, type Control Panel, and then open it. Go to Backup and Restore, Windows 7. On the left panel, click Create a System Image. Select on a hard disk and choose your external drive. Click Next. By default, Windows selects the system drive. Leave this as is. Click Next, then Start Backup. This may take a while depending on your system size. Be patient. If your system crashes, you can restore from this image by following these steps. From the Start menu, search for the Recovery option. And click the Restart from the Advanced Startup tab. Go to Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click System Image Recovery. Select the backup and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. You've successfully created a system image on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.